Okay, Mercedes power window switches. This is on the CLK. This isn't on, it's going to be basically the same for any model after, I'd say, 1996, 97. Anyway, the wood panel, the panel just pops up once you've popped up the, you have to remove the shift knob. I have another video on that. The shifts around and this just basically pops up. It pops over. Sorry, this car is going to the wrecking yard, so this car is in a lot of parts. And everything is not exactly put together as it should be. So I'm going to unhook all these connectors on the back and be back in 1 second. Okay, and before I unhook them, this is for the power window switch that I'm looking for. It's got the power windows, the trunk release, and the power mirror switch in it. It comes as one unit, and that simply, let's unplug the little plugs first. And then there's simply, you should be able to squeeze them by hand, but since I'm attempting to use one, let me try and balance this camera. See little tabs here that they push back? So we're just going to pop these back. And 3, and it should pop out. 1, 2, hopefully that wasn't a crack. 3. They do get covered in slime and coffee and stuff over the years, and there we go. And there we go, nice and filthy. I will clean this up before I send it to the guy who bought it. Anyway, they do all work, and thanks for watching.